How to remove Norton from PC. For Windows users. Step 1. Click the Show Hidden Icons arrow in the bottom right corner of your Windows taskbar. Step 2. Right-click on the Norton icon and select Disable Autoprotect. Step 3. Click the More Options drop-down and select Permanently. Step 4. Right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Step 5. In Task Manager, locate the Norton app, right-click on it, and choose End Task. Step 6. In the search bar, type the control panel and open it. Step 7. Set the View by option to Category from the drop-down menu, then click on Programs. Step 8. Click on Uninstall a program. Step 9. Scroll to find Norton Antivirus, right-click on it, and select Uninstall/Change. Step 10. Click on Please remove all user data. Step 11. Click Next to proceed with the uninstallation. For Mac users. Step 1. Launch your Norton Security application. Step 2. Click on Norton Security next to the Apple icon at the top left corner of the screen. Step 3. Click on Uninstall Norton Security. Step 4. Click on the Uninstall button, enter your password, and click on Install Helper. For more such help and information, visit us at www.antivirustales.com or call us at +1 857 557 6826 +44 161 791 4591.